Hello everyone, I am your drawing teacher Rehana Merchant. Today we are going to learn Dahi Handi. See how to draw. First you draw like this circle, then you do cross line, then again curve line, then again you do like this, then again you join this double, then from here to do here round, like this you do round, then curve in the middle, you do this. Okay, now we'll do design. This is the Dahi Handi, so it is a dahi flowing out. So you see it is a flowing out dahi. The inside part, this is you erase it, and inside you do the running design like this. Then you do this curve. Then you do in the middle like this, double it, and also you do like this, see, same way, and same little go down and do this curve line, double it, and inside you do big circle, small circle, very small circle, like that you fill it. And here you do curve line, and here also same way you do like this. Now I am doing it with the sketch pen. See I done color black sketch pen. See inside part, this part I erase it, pencil part. See it is a curd, Dahi Handi. So it is a curd, so I erase it and I black sketch pen it. Now I am doing it coloring. See I done coloring. This dark blue, light blue and third blue, then lemon yellow, medium yellow, lemon yellow, and alternate colors I take. And then here dark green, light green leaf, and this is the toran. See, Happy Janmashtami. Please like, share and subscribe. Rehana Merchant.